Doggy dog. In a minute.
For sure, for sure.
Man, it's good to see you.
Good to be seen.
Man, proud of you, dog. You're doing everything we talked about 30 years ago. You're helping out the community. You're doing things with your family. You done became a grandfather. And you're keeping it gangster. I love that. I respect that.
Appreciate that, God.
But dog, remember what you said 30 years ago? When I asked you about politics?
Yeah, I remember what I said. Do you remember?
Yeah, nigga, I remember clear as day. You told me I ain't with the Republican Party and I ain't with the Democratic Party. I represent the motherfucking gangster party.
For sure. Let's get it. Ain't nothing but a gangster party.
Oh shit. Ain't nothing but a gangster party.